Yeah, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna answer a really important question you've probably been wondering too. Can you cook chicken in a sandwich maker, okay? It is a sandwich maker, it's probably the most basic one. Don't drop, don't drop, don't drop. So basically, we have sandwich maker. If you can't cook chicken in it, it's bad. Oh yeah, it didn't kill me. Is it turned on? It's turned on. Let's go. I'm also gonna cook an egg, just for the experiment. But this is chicken tender. I should probably wait for it to heat up, yeah? The plan is put on some butter, then put in the chicken. Let's go. Oh, look at that butter, guys. Oh my god, look at this chicken though. Yo. This chicken is cooking. It's actually cooking. Yo, what? You can actually cook chicken in this? Yo, let me see if I can close it. Ooh, that looks already cooked. Let's just put it in and now, time for egg. Ready? That went well. Let's put in some bread on the side. Sounds like the chicken is getting cooked. I took out a piece of bread. I'm gonna taste it. It has some egg on it. Tastes like badly cooked egg. Oh my.
Friendly content.
Is that butter? I mean, it looks well cooked. I put too much butter on it. Apart from that, it's cooking. Now my room smells really bad. I'm gonna take the chicken off. Chicken looks cooked, to be honest. Wow, chicken, come here. Leave the grease in there for the next time. Yeah, that's how the chicken looks inside. It's fully cooked and it looks kind of grilled. It's got a nice texture. Now let's taste it. Very soft. It's actually not soft, it's hard. I take my words back, it's so hard. I'm gonna eat this. I don't know if this is safe, but if the chicken is cooked, it's probably safe enough. Yay! This experiment was a success. You can cook your chicken in a toaster or a sandwich maker.